Oh. You know, I wish I could feed all you guys. It'd be fun, I think. Or I might go crazy, I'm not sure. No, toaster. Dude, no, before, like, I used to cut my hand on serrated bread knives all the time. Like, freaking hell. No, toaster! What happened to your car? Yeah, I'm probably gonna save this one. Zombie, I'm probably gonna try and edit it too. I'm not sure, but we'll see. I'm really close to the microphone. Is this apparent? Am I too loud? Hello. Welcome to the sushi stream. Oh wow, toaster. I'll probably try to make a highlight video of this zombie. Put a piece of gum in there. Well, good luck, toaster. As always, good luck. Oh boy, guys. Oh, did you, Frightful? Thank you, Zombie. I appreciate it. Holy crap. But yeah, guys. Thank you. Sexy rolls and sashimi today. I might make some more tomorrow. I'm not sure. But we'll see. Tomorrow is what is it tomorrow? Shumai. We're making shumai tomorrow. I'll try not to, Warby. Schmeedles, thank you. And thank you for the I know streamversary. Oh my god, really? I'm at 961? Holy crap. What just happened? I just now looked at my follow goal at 176/10.